Hello everyone, just like to provide a quick demonstration for programming a Motorola HT1000 with the HT1000 RSS. First you'll need to boot into a boot disk. I'm using the Windows Millennium boot disk, and it'll bring you to your prompt. You then need to go to your drive, which I typed that in wrong, and it's going to complain at me, but we'll go from there. Make sure I'm in the right drive, which I am. So then you change over to RSS, or whatever your file is, but mine's RSS. Then to your HT1000. And then HT1000.exe. Brings it up. Press the spacebar. You then need to go to the Get Save Clone Program, which is F3. Then you need to press F2, which is Read Data from Radio. It is now reading the data. And it is complete. Press F10. Then you need to go to F4, Change View Radio Code Plug Data. F2 gives you your radio information, including serial number and customer ID. You can change that to whatever you would like, and it just displays information about this particular radio. Then you have F3, which is your radio configuration menu. It has system configuration, side button, alert tone, option mate, mode switch, signaling options, and scan list. This system configuration basically describes your general features of the radio. Side button is what they do. Alert tone. Most of these you don't really have to play with too much. Most of the time it'll be configured right. And F6 is for the metal switch on the radio. F7 is your signaling options. Your quick call features. To program in your quick call, you just go to the quick call page, type in the tones, what the durations are to be, and that's about that. You go back. F3 is your MDC, and it really is self-explanatory as you go through. If you need any help on anything, press F1, and that will take you to the help page for that screen. F4 is single tone if your repeater uses that. None of ours do. F5 is your DTMF phone list if you use that. F8 is your scan list. And F4 is your channels. Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way through 16. And I'm going to default mine as I'm selling this radio, but, trading it. So I'm going to go through and hit F9 on all of the screens. But if you were programming it, you type in your receive frequency, transmit frequency, talk around RX, receive, and push to talk ID, MDC star ADIS decode, receive squelch, one note. If you're programming a quick call in, you need to put up here, quick call 2, an individual call, or whatever you're doing. Sorry, I messed that up real quick. Let me flip back up there. Or DPL or TPL tone and quick call. And you just go through there. And leave F2. Signaling muting condition. You will want to change that to, you have to enter to flip between the options. If you want to hear both the regular traffic and then it beep if your tones come out, put it to OR. If you want it to only beep when your tones go out, put it to AND. But I'm going to continue through and remove my channels. And that was just an error. It should correct it usually. And then once you're done, just go back to the main menu, F10 to the main menu, F3 is get save, press F8, and then F8 again, and that programs it into the radio. Sorry, it's fairly bouncy. I did not have a radio or a tripod here. So that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, kd8cpp@kd8cpp.com, and I should get back to you as quickly as possible.